Hi friends, my name is Yeswanth. I am studying in 6th class. I am Skillpundit student. Today I am telling about waste management. To keep our environment clean and healthy, biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes should be disposed of properly. Most of the garbage and other organic wastes materials are not poisonous, but the mixing biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes can be dangerous for the environment. Therefore, biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes should first be separated and then disposed of. Biodegradable wastes. Biodegradable wastes disposed of by making compost. The process of making compost is given below. Dig a pit in the ground. Fill it with leftover food, eggshells, kitchen wastes such as fruit and vegetable peels and dry leaves that have fallen from the trees. Cover the pit with soil. These wastes get decomposed by bacteria and from compost the compost as a fertilizer. Non-biodegradable wastes. Non-biodegradable wastes can be plastic and metal should recycle to produce new goods. Recycling is the process of converting waste materials into usable materials. Thank you.